Hello, little girl. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Rosie.
Rosie. In fact, Rosie, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. Nice to meet you, Rosie.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice. Rosie, can you please tell me how old are you?
7.
7 years old. Very good. Okay. Rosie, are you sleepy?
No.
No. Are you hungry?
No.
Okay. Now let's do some actions. Okay. Can you point to your nose? Very good. What are these? These are eyes. Very good. Can you rub your stomach? Very good. Point to the sky. Sky. Very good. Do you know what color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
Very nice. The sky is blue. And what color do you like?
I like purple.
You like purple? And what color is your shirt, by the way?
I like black and pink.
Very good. My shirt is black and pink. And my shirt is white and blue stripes. Yeah. Your shirt is black and pink. Very good. Do you like animals? What animals do you like? You like pandas. Where do you see pandas? At the zoo or on the farm? At the zoo. Very good. Okay. Can you please name 3 animals on the farm? What animals do you see on the farm? And ducks on the farm. Very nice job. Okay. Now, Rosie, I will show you some cards, okay? You look at them and tell me what is this. Okay. Relax. There we go. Milk. Do you drink milk?
Yes.
What time do you drink milk? When you go to bed or when you wake up in the morning? You drink milk when you wake up in the morning. Very good. And this one?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good.
Butter.
Very good.
Seed.
Cheese. Good job.
Scrap. Fat.
Good job.
Pinch.
Nice.
Kick.
Very good.
Hit.
Very nice.
Hurt.
Good job.
Nose.
Noodles.
Nose.
Good.
Ham.
Very good.
Juice.
Very nice.
Hot dog.
Perfect.
Salad.
Good.
Pancake.
Very nice.
Hamburger.
Good job.
Popcorn.
Wow. Good job. Okay. Now, can you please tell me, is it nice to hit or kick or pinch your friends?
No.
No. Yeah? So what are the nice things to do? What are the nice things to do? Sit
Nice, quiet, listen to teacher,
and
and
don't hit or pinch your friends. Very good. You know what are the nice things to say? Yeah, nice things to say. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Yes. How do you feel? Very good. And excuse me. Yes. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. It's okay. Excuse me. How do you feel? Nice to meet you. These are some very nice things to say. Give me 10. Very good. Okay. Now here we have a song. Okay? And can you please tell me what's the title of the song? Very good. Do you like to sing songs?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Very good. Can you please sing the song, please?
I'm a big turkey. I eat and eat. I am so fat. I can't see my feet. When I run, oh wobble, wobble, wobble. And I talk, oh wobble, wobble, wobble. I'm a big turkey.
I eat and eat. Okay. Now can you please look at this picture and tell me, is turkey fat or thin?
It's a fat little kid.
Yeah, it's a fat big turkey. Are you fat?
No.
No, very good. Can turkey see its feet?
No.
No. Why not? Because turkey is big and fat, so turkey cannot see its feet. Very good. Can you see your feet?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Very good. Okay. Now here we have some letters. Okay. And you look at the card and tell me what's the name of this letter and how many sounds this letter make. Okay. Ready for?
One sound.
Very good.
Letter P. One sound.
Very nice.
Letter I. Three sound. N-I-E.
Good job, Rosie. Now here, read the sound and read the word. You have the pointer, okay?
Pajamas. Jump.
Very nice. Do you like to read poems? There we go.
Jam on my pancake. Jam on my breast. Jam in my donut, but not on my head.
Very good. Okay. Now I see the sound, alright? And you point the letter and see the word, okay? Now she says J.
Jam.
Very good.
Pancake.
Good job. B.
But bread.
Very good. D.
Head.
D. D.
Donut.
Very good. D. Donut. Very good. What about
Nine.
Very nice. In fact, do you know what punctuation mark this is? What do we say this? Period. Period. Okay. Now, do you know what do we need between two words? Space. We need a space between two words. We need a space between two words. Very nice. Okay. Now here we have a cow. Okay. Now we are not going to say it. Right? I have a few questions for you. What do you want for dinner? What do you?
Eggs, rice, and juice.
I want eggs, rice, and juice for
Dinner.
dinner. Very good. Okay. Let's suppose you want a snack. Okay. How do you say your mother for a snack? Give me some snack, please. What snack do you want? Do you want ice cream, sweets, sandwiches, popcorn? Mother, please give me hamburger for for my snack. Very nice. All right. Now, here we have a song. Excuse me. Okay, we're not going to sing. I have a few questions for you from the song. When you burp or sneeze, what do you say? Excuse me, please. Very good. What if you bump into someone? What do you say? Excuse me, please. Or we say, I'm sorry. Alright? Very good. Now here we have a big book. Okay? Here, first of all, tell me what's the name of this book? Very good. 76. Very good. The name of this book is 6. Now, can you please sing? I point, okay? And you sing. Ready? Good job. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now look at the card and please tell me how many baby kangaroos do you see?
I see little baby kangaroo.
Very good. And what are the lions doing? What are these lions doing? What are they doing?
Lions living in the sun.
Very good. The lions are sleeping in the sun. And where did you see lions? On the farm or at the zoo?
Lion.
I see them.
At the zoo.
Very good. I see them at the zoo. Very good. Do you like to read stories?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now here, this is a story for you to read, okay? Here's a pointer. You can point the pictures or write the words, whatever.
Yeah.
Good.
Jam on my bread. And jam on my bread. Ham on my pizza. And ham on my pizza. Eggs with my rice. I like eggs with my rice. Noodles in my soup. I like noodles in my soup. Cheese in my sandwiches. I like cheese in my sandwiches. Milk with my cookies. I like milk with my cookies. Meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti. Butter on my pop. I like butter on my pop. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday. The end.
Okay. Now here, I have one question for you. What do you like for your birthday?
Sandwiches.
You like sandwiches for your birthday?
I like cake for my birthday.
I like cake, toys, ice cream, sweets, candies on my
My birthday.
home or for my birthday. Okay, very good. Now here, so look at this picture and can you please tell me how many sandwiches do you see? There is one, okay? So now we say sandwich. One sandwich, 2, 3, 4, 5 sandwiches. So can you please look and tell me how many are these? One, okay? One is one sandwich. So we say cheese in my sandwich. No, one sandwich. Cheese in my sandwich. Okay. Okay. And what else? Yeah. Okay. So now, what do you like in your soup? Very nice. I like noodles in my soup. Okay. So now here, do you like to sing weekends are cool song?
Yes.
Okay. Can you sing it, please? Yeah. Monday, Tuesday.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all those days I go to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday I with my family, and that is cool.
Good job. Good job. Okay. Now here, do you know 7 days? Yeah. Monday to Sunday. Okay. Can you please name them one by one? Look at the card.
Monday,
Very good.
Tuesday,
Good job.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, weekend.
Weekend. Saturday and Sunday are called weekends. Very nice. Do you know what day of the week is today? What day is it today? Today is Friday. Very good. Today is Friday. And what comes after Friday? Yeah. What comes after Friday? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes. What comes after Friday? Saturday. Very good job. Okay, Rosie, you have done a really great job here for your today's speaking test. And we are going to our speaking time is over, okay? And we are going to say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, parents, and see you again.